Did you know one man fooled both the Nazis and the British at the exact same time? Eddie Chapman was a professional safecracker. In the early 1940s, he was sitting in a German prison on occupied Jersey when he came up with the boldest pitch of his life. He offered the Nazis a deal: train me as a spy, drop me into England, and I will blow up a critical British aircraft factory. The Germans said yes. The moment he landed on British soil, he walked straight into a police station and handed himself to MI5. What followed was one of the most brilliant deceptions of the entire war. British intelligence faked the factory explosion, doctored photographs, fake newspaper reports, all of it convincing enough that Nazi high command awarded Chapman the Iron Cross. MI5 gave him a medal too. Eddie Chapman is the only person in World War II history to receive military decorations from both sides. Each side believed, until the very end, that he was exclusively theirs. Please like, comment, share and follow The Mysterious Banker for more interesting stories.